Welcome to Pocket Woman Lockpicking and Lock Sport. We have a package today. We've got an unboxing. Go this far. Ooh, nice. This is my Lishi cutter. Oh, Jesus, weighty. Cutting keys. It will cut a key for me. So instead of me hand filing things like this, I can just go like this and go, okay, let's just cut that. Very cool. Haha. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And I can do it with two hands, so that's good. I can actually cut a key with this. Wasn't sure if I had enough hand strength to do this, so very happy. Okay, thanks for watching my unboxing of the Lishi cutter. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.